Damn, it's been a whole year since I haven't done a YouTube video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, I'm gonna show you guys what I've done to the car in the span of a year. So I got the car last year, so 2023, in May. So I have officially owned the car for about a year, and these are the things that I have done to it. So, um, first things off, I'm gonna go off with the most noticeable thing: the wheels. Um, The wheels, I got these off OfferUp for a steal. I was scrolling down Facebook Marketplace, and at first I was planning on going on some reps because I was like, you know what? At this point, it's whatever makes the car look good. Like, as long as it looks good, I don't care if they're reps. But I found these for a steal. Some guy took them off his Cobra. I think it was an '04, and he was like, I just don't like them. So he gave them to me for 150, all four. It's just the rims though, no tires. So yeah, they're really good condition. He just had them in his backyard, so that was 150. And then obviously the headlights were like $100 to set. Yeah, so $100 for the headlights. They're not the best, obviously. They have a little imperfections. The fitment is not all that great, but it looks a lot better than when it came stock. Besides that, I have polished the car. The paint is not in the best condition, but it does make the car look good compared to my old car, the Civic. And the most recent thing that I have done to it is my tint. I got this yesterday, so I can't roll down the windows right now. It's really hot, so I'm just suffering in there. I have no AC, but yeah, I put tint. I put 25 in the front, 25%. I don't want to have problems with the cops. And then 5% in the back, because 5% is totally legal in the back. Besides that, I did also about a week ago with my friend Alan. He helped me put coilovers on, so the car now sits around 2 inches lower than it used to. So the front is 2 fingers, the back I have it at 3 fingers, just because I'm going to put some spacers on it. And then I do carry a lot of heavy stuff in the back, so whenever I have my whenever I'm going to help my friends out with their oil changes, or I'm going to look at a car that they want me to do an oil change on, I do bring my jack, you know. So you know, if I were to lower it a little bit more, I'm pretty sure it will rub, and I don't want any problems with that. The car runs great. I didn't tell you guys about this, but my clutch failed on me. I was going to Jack in the Box with my mom, and we're going in the drive-thru, and my clutch cable just snaps on the drive-thru, and I'm like, oh my. And so yeah, that happened, and it was sitting for about a month. Meanwhile, I could get the money to fix it, because I did not want to take out the transmission by myself. So it took around a month for me to get the money. They fixed it in 4 days, and then it cost me $1,000 to do a whole well, 1,000 including the part. So it was $700 in labor, and then I think $300, no, $350 for the part. So in total it was like 1,000 and like 100. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. So it was pretty good. I'm really happy with the car, how it sits now. I do want to do a little bit more stuff to it. Obviously, I don't want to have problems, but I love how the car sits at the moment. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the imperfections. Imperfection number one is my roof. I do not like my roof, partially because the paint cracked. I don't know where they painted this, but the paint cracked, and since it's been raining here in California during the summer, which is kind of crazy, it started to get surface rust. And so now I got a quote. They quoted me to wrap, and to wrap it would be $350 to wrap the top, and then, well, that's if I prep it myself. It would be $800 if they prep it. And then to paint it, it would roughly be the same. So I might as well just paint it. I do want to get a little duck lip for the spoiler, Look at this scratch, bruh. It was raining, it was windy, there was a storm, and one of these just hit my car during the night. I woke up to it and I was like, dude, what happened? That happened. Excuse the dirtiness. I literally took it to wash yesterday, but when they put the tint, obviously they have to like spray it and everything, and they use heat. So this was by them. I don't blame them. It's part of their job. They have to do it. I should have just not washed the car before I took it to tint, but it's fine. And then the gap, I am going to put spacers because the front wheel sits really inside, and I don't like it. So I'm going to push it out. This trim, I wanna change the trim because it just looks like a person took a bite out of it. And I'm debating on going clear tail lights. These are horizontal. I'm planning on going into the vertical clear tail lights. I would have to make them though, because they don't sell them, because there's not a bunch of aftermarket parts for these. But if I do go clear, that means I would have to go side marker clears, and I would have to go third brake light clears. But yeah, so that's my plan for this car at the moment. I really like how it's all coming together. I wouldn't have been able to do this without, the help of my friends. My friends have helped me a lot in it. And I've had thanks to my parents, they're really supportive in what I decide to do. They don't really care about my car as long as I'm safe, and I'm really grateful for them. But yeah, tell me what you guys think I should do to the car. Anything that might help it look better. I do see some imperfections, and I really wish I could fix all of them. But I mean, they're not things that I would be like, oh nah, I don't like it, I'm gonna sell the car. It wouldn't make me want to sell the car. I love the car how it is. It's not a V8, but it looks good, it drives good, takes me to A to B. It's really reliable. That's just me trying to make myself feel better about not having a V8. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to update you guys on what the car is. I do want to put a lot more content out there. You guys could follow me on my TikTok. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I don't know it by name. I totally forgot. Or you guys could follow me on my Instagram. I tend to post a lot more on my Instagram just because I like it better. TikTok is really fun and all, but it takes time to edit, and it's the same as this video. But that's the whole reason sorry, there's some trucks passing by. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it takes a long time to edit, so I'm sorry if I haven't been able to put much content out there, but it's because I procrastinate. I just don't do content, and I do need to get better at it. But anyways, thanks, see ya.